How to make an ISEE in Naples, Italy. Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to make an ISEE in Naples, Italy, because navigating bureaucracy is just another adventure in the city of the Vesuvio. To obtain the ISEE, Indicatore della Situazione Economica Equivalente, in Naples, Italy, follow these steps. Gather required documents: identification, valid passport or Italian identity card, tax identification number, codice fiscal, issued by the Agenzia delle Entrate, proof of income, recent payslips, tax returns or other income statements, asset documentation, information on properties, bank accounts, investments, and other assets. Complete the DSU, Dichiarazione Sostitutiva Unica. This is the single self-declaration form required to calculate the ISEE. You can fill it out online through the INPS website or with the assistance of a CAF, Centro di Assistenza Fiscal. Submit the DSU. After completing the DSU, submit it to INPS. INPS will process the information and issue your ISEE certificate, typically within 10 days. Obtain the ISEE certificate. Once processed, you can download the ISEE certificate from the INPS website or receive it through your chosen CAF. Meanwhile, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the best travel tips. Assistance for foreigners. If you are a foreigner residing in Italy, several CAFs in Naples offer services tailored to your needs, including assistance with the ISEE, CAF Patronato Napoli. Located in Vomero, address Via E. Alvino, 47, 80128. Napoli phone, 081 1900 7000 services. Assistance with pensions, unemployment benefits, tax returns, students and support for ISEE applications. 2. CAF Acli. Located in Chiaia district of Naples, via Antonio Sciloia, 180121 Napoli NA. Phone, 081 426 services. Tax consultancy and assistance for employees, freelancers, students, and pensioners. 3. Sportello Immigrati, Sigil. Located in historical center of Naples, via Toledo, 45 80132 Napoli NA. Phone, 390-81234, 5678 services. Support for foreign workers and students including assistance with ISEE applications. Tips. It's advisable to call the CAF in advance to confirm their operating hours and whether an appointment is necessary. Ensure you have all required documents to expedite the process. Some CAFs offer online services, allowing you to manage the process from home. For more detailed information, refer to the INPS official page on ISEE.